Everyone believes that consuming junk food, fried foods, or fatty foods leads to cardiovascular diseases or high blood pressure. So let's know more about salt and its effects. So pink salt is healthier and it is best comparative to any other salts in the market. So this is the myth. So let's clarify these further. Hi, I'm Shruti Medappa. I'm a clinical dietitian and a meditation coach. How many of you agree? Pink salt boosts up the immune system, fights against the diseases, and it helps balancing your blood pressure and eases respiratory problems. Yes, the answer is no. As per the research studies, pink salt haven't been proved to have any such unique health benefits. And currently, pink salt is hyped so much through advertising, promotions, and marketing. And it has hit the supermarkets with a big bang business, right? Let me tell you, people who are replacing their regular table salts or the sea salt with pink salt will be using double the quantity comparatively to get the exact taste in the dish. So understand where you're going wrong. The quantity of the salt usage is the primary goal. Ideal requirement is around 2300 mg which is equivalent to 1 teaspoon per day. And let me just give you a quick comparison between the white salt and the pink salt. Always remember, the white salt has been iodized and the pink salt is not iodized, but iodine content is naturally present in it. And the sodium content in the white salt is 381 milligrams, and in the pink salt it is 368. And the iodine content is 0.010 in the white salt and 0.0369 mg is present in the pink salt. Yes, and the potassium is in the white salt is 0.9 mg, whereas in the pink salt 2.8 mg has been present. Personally, I suggest to keep both kind of salts in your kitchen and switch over using it for different dishes. And also remember, other foods such as processed foods, papads, pickle, canned foods, or even the ready-to-eat foods, all this consists of excess sodium content. So try to limit not only the salt, also the processed foods. Thank you.